It's Sunday, the, what is it, 9th of July. I've just come back from Cairns. It's a lot colder and cooler down here. But I've just put my caravan into this rather large garage where I live. That's just the garage. It's pretty big. And there's another caravan behind it. But I'm going to work on it. I've just put it on stilts. Not stilts, car ramps. And a jack at the front. Yeah. And I'm just about to bring in a whole lot of wood for doing the floor because I've gutted the interior. I'll go in and see. Maybe you can't really see too much of the caravan, but it's an old 70s thing, early 70s, and quite a nice shape. Structurally it's sound, apart from there's a drawbar which is rusted on the side. It's rusted right through. I'm going to replace that with the large gal drawbar that I'm going to build. So yeah, I've just gutted it. It did have beds in here and a little cabinet in the middle, which didn't suit my what I wanted. So I'm going to have a bed in here, in this little section here, reasonably high off the ground so that I've got a bit of storage area. I may put some shelves just across there, which will box it and close it in a little bit, but I need the storage. And but I'll put lighting, LED lighting around, and hopefully it'll create a nice mood. So yeah, this floor was rotten, so there we go. Going to put tongue and groove in.